Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Dear my students, grade 8, today's lesson inshallah about workbook, unit 9, second term. Let's go together to study our lesson today. Okay, we are going to speak about our workbook. Page 27. Open your book and try to be with me. The first exercise that we have, we want to match the words with their definitions here. Here we have 4 words and we have 5 definitions. We want to match the word with its meaning. And be careful, there is no extra definition here. The first one, cruel. Cruel means unkind. The next one, engage, to become involved in something, if you remember this one. Okay, third one, wisdom. Wisdom. When we speak about good judgment, wisdom. The last one, outwit. Outwit. When you win because you are clever. Okay, take your time and try to answer them. I'm going to wait you 10 seconds. Okay, back again. The first one, the word cruel. Which one here matches it? The ability to make good judgments. Okay, this one relates to, yes, excellent, wisdom. So we cannot match it to the word cruel. When I say the word cruel, it means someone or something which is unkind, causing pain to people. Excellent. So this one is going to be letter C. Okay, so let's check them together. So the first one, cruel, it's going to be letter C. Okay, what about engage? Okay, do you remember when we become involved in something? So it's going to be the last one. So engage here means to participate or become involved in, as we have explained in the previous lesson. Okay, the next one, wisdom. Wisdom. Do you remember the word wisdom? When we have spoken about, yes, excellent, good judgments. So the ability to make good judgments usually based on experience. It means what here? Wisdom. Okay, so the last one, outwit. Outwit. We have said this one, like when you win by being cleverer, often by using a trick. Okay, let's move to exercise number 2 here. We want to change the underlying words to the correct phrasal verb, including look. Do you remember this exercise? We have spoken about look before, but we have spoken about, yes, the phrasal verb look, like look out, try to be careful, okay? Look after, to take care of someone or something. Look for, it means search for something that you have lost or you want to find it. But if you are going to find the meaning of a word or a place on a map, it's going to be what? Look up. Look up. It's an easy noun. So here, the first one, parents take care of their children. So it's an easy one. So which one matches here? Okay, so parents, we want to remove this one or replace take care of with what? With a phrasal verb from here. Which one fits? Take your time before you answer. The second one, what are you trying to find? Trying to find. If you lose something and you, yes, search for it. It means what here? Third one, I don't know the answer to this question. I must search for it in a book or an encyclopedia. Search for it. But here, search for what? The answer to this question. Be careful. The last one, be careful. There is a car coming fast. We want to write the synonym or the same phrasal verb as be careful using look. Take your time, pause the video, and come back again to discuss the answers with me. Let's check the answers together. The first one, parents take care of their children. What is the choice here? That's right. I hear some students say it correctly. So parents look after their children. So parents take care of, it means parents look after their children. Second one, what are you trying to find? When you try to find something, that's right. So what are you Looking for, you are going to change it into present continuous because here we have the auxiliary verb are. Okay, so what are you looking for? The same like what are you trying to find? 3. I don't know the answer to this question. I must search for it in a book or an encyclopedia. So I must what here? That's right. Look up. Okay, in a book or an encyclopedia. Look up. It means search for, yeah, for the answer of a question, the meaning of a word, and so on. The last one, be careful. Yes, excellent. This is the last one. Look out, and you're going to write the same sentence. There is a car coming fast. Let's move to the next page, page 28 together. Here, I'd like you to write. Take your time in this exercise. You are going to write 3 things. You look after, means take care of, here, here, and here. 3 things you look for. Okay, try to find. Okay, something that you have lost or you would like to find. And the 3 things here you look up. Okay, take your time and come back to see the answers here. Okay, what things do you look after? Someone says a bird, a parrot, a rabbit, a cat, a dog, like this. My young brother, my young sister, my grandma, my grandpa. Okay, so look after. You can write 3 things from here and compare it to your answers. And also here, myself, my health, my teeth, my hair, my garden. You can choose any 3 points from here or you can write extra information. Next one, look for. Okay, you can look at this picture and write. Okay, here we have many things in the pictures here and write like my mobile phone, okay, my watch like this one, my wallet, this one wallet, okay, my bag, okay, my money, my book, my mirror, my mother's ring, and my father's keys. Okay, so this is look for. Try to find yes out. Okay. What things do you look up? Look up. Okay, like if you are going to find a phone number, so you look up for it. If you want to find the name of yes or the meaning of a word, you are going to look it up in a dictionary. So a word, phone number, information or location on a map, or information on timetable like this one. Now let's move to reported speech. Do you remember reported speech? As we have said before, we have direct speech and reported speech. Now we speak about reported speech. We want to change, yes, that's right, the commands when we have spoken about the imperatives, like in the affirmative one and the negative one. Don't do that again. My brother asked me, this one is negative. Go back to the videos and try to revise this lesson. The second one, read the Holy Quran. The teacher, we want to complete the sentence. We are going to link with what here? We are going to write what? The last one, please help me with my project. My friend, so this one is positive or affirmative, as we have said. So here we have 2 affirmative sentences and we have 1 negative here. Okay? Pause the video, take your time and come back again to check your answers with me. The first one, don't do that again. How can we change it into a negative sentence? So, my brother asked me, this sentence is negative. So, instead of don't, we are going to write what? Excellent. So, we change don't to become not to and complete our sentence the same. Not to do that again. Okay? Because we don't have any pronouns here. Next one, read the Holy Quran. So the teacher, okay, we can say asked, that's right. But this one is positive or affirmative or negative here. Affirmative or negative, excellent. So the teacher asked me to read the Holy Quran. The last one, please help me with my project. So my friend, okay, so that's right, asked me. This one is affirmative. So you're going to write to or not to. That's right. So it's going to be what? Well done. So my friend asked me to help her with her project. Okay, or you are going to say, my friend asked me to help him with his project. If we are going to speak about male, but this one female, girl, and here if he is a boy. The next exercise, here we have some prepositions. We want to complete the sentences. Look at them. At first, look at these prepositions of, at, on, under, into, through, in. Okay, take your time and try to write, okay, the prepositions here, and after that try to complete the sentences on the right here. Take your time. You have 30 seconds to answer this one. Okay, I'd like you to write the preposition here and complete the sentence here. You can pause the video after you answer them and then come back again to revise with me. Okay, now let's read the answers together. So Ahmed dived. So when I dive, the sea here, it's going to become what? Into. So dived into the sea. Why? To what? Okay, to enjoy seeing the coral reef, like this one. Okay, this is called what? Coral reef. Okay, so Ahmed dived into the sea to enjoy seeing the coral reef. Next one. He put his new poster the wall. So where do we put the poster? Which preposition here fits here? Excellent. On. So on the wall. So that. Okay, I want the result here. So that what? That's right. He can cover the holes in the wall. So he put his new poster on the wall so that he can cover the holes in the wall. Next one. The train went, okay, space tunnel or the tunnel. That's why, that's right. Look at the picture here and you're going to answer it. Okay, so the train went through the tunnel. So this one is through, the correct preposition here. That's why what here? That's why I felt afraid of darkness. So I felt afraid of darkness because the train went through the tunnel. Next one. When I called, she wasn't home. Okay, which preposition fits here or the suitable one? Excellent. At home. So what is the result here? When I called, she wasn't at home. So I left a message on her cell phone. Now here we have a closure activity. I'd like you to think of a good story to tell your class. Try to think of the message behind the story, the moral of the story, and check if your message has been clearly delivered to your classmates. Thank you and see you inshallah in the next units. Best luck.